Morning, dear students. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are discussing about fourth model infinite series, and previous video the what is infinite series and proper definition, and what is convergent, divergence definitions, so etc. over. And today in this video, so we can discuss about D-Alemberts ratio test. So this is D-Alemberts ratio test. Only statement is there. That statement is, let summation of un be a series of positive terms such that limit n tends to infinity un plus 1 divided by un is equal to lambda. Take this series is equal to lambda. Then the series is, then that series is, three conditions are there. First one, convergent. If convergent means if lambda is less than 1, and second one is divergent. Divergent means if lambda is greater than 1, and third one is ratio test fail if lambda is equal to 1. You remember only these three conditions. So lambda is equal to 1 is there, fail, and lambda is greater than 1 is there, this one, and lambda is less than 1 is there, convergent. Okay, so this is the basic idea about D-Alemberts ratio test. So you take one example. So that is, example is, discuss the convergence or divergence of the series summation of n is equal to 1 to infinity n square divided by 3n. So this is the function is there. So first we can check. So this is convergence or divergence of this series. So this is the solution. So this solution is, let summation of un is equal to summation of n square divided by 3n. So this is the given function. Un is equal to summation of n square plus 3 raised to n square divided by 3 raised to n. Here un is equal to n square divided by 3 raised to n. Same function you take, and u of n plus 1, then should replace n by n plus 1 here. That is, u of n plus 1 is equal to n plus 1 bracket square divided by 3 raised to n plus 1. And you take ratio of these two terms. Ratio of these two terms means un plus 1 divided by un. So this is un plus 1 divided by un. Take this ratio. So values are there. Un plus 1 means n plus 1 bracket square divided by 3 raised to n plus 1. So divided by un. So un you take this 3 raised to n divided by n square. Okay. Then simplification. So simplification means n plus 1 bracket square is there. So we can write n square. So means n square you take common. N square into bracket 1 plus 1 by n the whole square divided by 3 raised to n plus 1 is there. We can simplification 3 raised to n into 3 and is equal to, into 3 raised to n divided by n square, right, as it is. Then simplification, n square get cancelled, 3 raised to n get cancelled. So we get 1 plus 1 by n the bracket square divided by 3. Now to take limit on both sides, limit n tends to infinity, un plus 1 divided by un is equal to limit n tends to infinity. Same function here, 1 plus 1 by n bracket square divided by 3. Now we can substitute n is equal to infinity. So n is equal to infinity means 1 divided by infinity is equal to 0. That is 1 plus 0 means whole square divided by 3 only. The 1 plus 0 means 1. 1 square is 1. So 1 divided by 3. 1 divided by 3 is less than 1. So 1 divided by 3 less than 1 means what? By D-Alemberts ratio test, the series is convergent. Okay, this is lambda value. So lambda is less than 1 means